Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss on National Safety Day. In India, National Safety Day is observed on 4th March each year and National Safety Week from 4th March to 10th March. It is celebrated each year to promote awareness of safety measures across workplaces, roads, health and the environment. This is a national-wide movement promoting occupational safety and health (OHS) and is widely observed across industries, trade unions, government departments, regulatory bodies, NGOs and institutions with active support from the central and the state governments as well as the media. As National Safety Council was founded on 4th March 1966 and in 2026 it is completing its 60 years dedicated service to nation in advancing workplace safety, occupational health and the environmental protection nationwide. So National Safety Council is going to celebrate Diamond Jubilee this year. In recognition of this important milestone and considering evolving workplace challenges along with the need for sustained engagement, a resolution was passed during the 193rd Board meeting of National Safety Council of India to further expand the duration of the campaign. Accordingly, the National Safety Day or National Safety Week has been extended to cover the entire month and will be celebrated at National Safety Month NSM commencing from 4th March. This initiative enables organizations to plan comprehensive and structured safety activities, thereby strengthening safety culture and ensuring wider participation. The continued teamwork and the commitment of management, employees, their families and the public remain central to the success of this national campaign. This is 55th National Safety Day celebration. As the celebration of national safety was started in 1972. Every year a theme is decided for celebrating this day. So the official theme for 55th National Safety Day decided by National Safety Council is Engage, Educate and Empower People to Enhance Safety, urging active participation, learning and empowerment to foster a proactive safety culture across organized and unorganized sectors. This theme promotes a shift from strict rule following to a people's focused safety culture in workplaces to engage, educate and empower, as these steps create a culture where safety becomes a shared responsibility and a way of life. The meanings of these terms are engage. Engage means involving everyone such as employees, contractors, stakeholders in spotting hazards and improving systems, fostering ownership to cut unsafe acts. Educate. Educate means delivering ongoing role-based training beyond basics to build risk awareness and safe habits. Empower. Empowers means granting authority and tools for people to stop unsafe work confidently and prevent incidents from hesitation. Enhance safety. Enhance safety means improving safety and achieving the ultimate goal of enhanced safety by reducing risk, preventing accidents and protecting lives. So this theme, engage, educate and empower people to enhance safety, highlight the importance of active participation, continuous learning and empowerment of people at all levels to build a proactive safety culture and prevent accidents. This is a short overview on the National Safety Day and I will discuss this day in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.